So, hi guys, welcome to the hackathon. Intentionally or not intentionally, I got to be part of this hackathon. So we build an application which kind of is, we thought that there was no place, it doesn't work, okay. So there wasn't an application out there that is kind of like a hub for developers and those that are clients that are in need of Flutter widgets, Flutter apps, and stuff that you can do with Flutter. So, and also there wasn't enough motivation for Flutter people to come and join and learn how to code in Flutter, and they just didn't have a place where they can discover all the possibilities that Flutter can do. So we created Findevs, which is a hub that connects Flutter developers but also clients that need their services.
We're going live.
We're going live, nice. Okay, so this application is a simple client side and developer side login application. We have both. On the more about that, I think Rody would be best if he presents. Cool. Yeah.
Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and start the demo. So like we said, this is gonna be an app for the developer and the client to have one place to interact with each other. So and like we said earlier too, this is really important because we want to monetize and help the developer to make money because they're creating their stuff, but then you also want the clients to request anything and be able to be in contact with one. So here we have our application, and this is our logo at the top, and then when you start and log in, you're greeted with a client or developer login. So let's go ahead and start as a client. So you'll see all your current projects, and you can drill down into each one of them. You can see how long ago you created it, as well as how many project hours, and the project name as well as description. So let's go ahead and add a new project. And you can give it a description. You can give it a price. You can do $200 for this one, and we'll say this one will be 8 hours. And you can choose whether or not you want it to be open source. So let's go ahead and hit save, and as you see, it's added to your queue of current projects. So that's great and all. So now what the reverse side is where the developer comes in. So if you log in as a developer, you'll be able to see this app and claim the application. That means that you'll be able to start work on it. You can also additionally sort by different fields. So you can sort by date created if you want to see the newest projects, or if you wanted to see the oldest ones first. You can also choose by the bounty amount. So if you will just want to do the highest value, or if you want to start with the cheapest ones, you can do that as well. And our final one is hours. So you can just start with the shortest project, which is